Max is sleeping once again. Hey, Max. Max.
You're noisy. Ah, you have burps. There, is that better? Get those burps out.
Good job, Max.
Thanks. How do we get down from here? Ow.
Oh my goodness. I don't know what the heck's down here. Where's your gun?
Your gun.
Kapow.
Dang it. Do we go down or? I just think no more downs for a while. Oh, a tree saved my life. It's the second time. Which one?
The gray ones.
We don't need the gray ones.
I know, but they stolen. They're just little kids. Get a life vest.
Are you sure it just wasn't that old lady?
No, the gray ones.
The green one's right there.
Gray.
Still smells like Axe.
Hurry up, put it on.
Where'd they go?
That way.
I can't get the other thing.
Dad, get it out. My dad's watching.
What about your dad? My seat is wet and I'm wearing clothes. It's soaked.
Okay.
We had. Wait, we're going the wrong way. Push off. My butt is wet. How old are these kids?
Little kids, look at their bikes.
It's those fags? No, dude, get me off. I'm taking their bikes.
Push it off there.
Hey, easy. Wait, what the heck are we gonna get the... I can't paddle back.
I didn't think of that.
Well, you faggots, no, it's our boat. You wanna tip them over?
Let's do it.
Sure.
One of these guys are watching. Hey, yeah, it's our boat.
Hey, get me up. I'm gonna go get their bikes.
I'll let you up here.
Yeah, okay. Hurry up. I'm good.
Stop up yet. Oh, you're gonna tip my boat.
That's our boat. Hurry up. Well, we're the ones renting it. We're renting it. Yeah, but we're renting it, you little moron. Don't ask me.
There you go. You said if we had life jackets, we could do it.
Who told you that?
Guy over there.
That you could take somebody else's boat? Aw. Looks like somebody needs Jesus.